Large oil and gas operations rely heavily on nitrogen to keep their sites safe and productive, but most still depend on trucked-in liquid nitrogen. In remote regions like the oil sands, that means long hauls, unpredictable delivery schedules, and extremely high transportation costs. For many companies, the biggest line item in their nitrogen budget isn't the gas, it's the trucking. And when trucks are delayed or can't get through, the financial impact can be measured in millions.
Nitrogen plays a safety-critical role across oil and gas operations. It's used to prevent explosive atmospheres, blanket storage tanks, purge pipelines, maintain pressure, and protect equipment. It touches almost every stage, upstream, midstream, and downstream. So when a company has an unreliable nitrogen supply, everything becomes a risk.
Across oil and gas operations, the biggest challenges always come back to reliability and logistics. Delivered nitrogen sounds simple on paper, but in reality it means coordinating trucks, dealing with supply chain delays, and absorbing constant price fluctuations. For remote sites, it becomes even more unpredictable. If a truck doesn't show up, production can stop. Customers are looking for a way to remove that dependency and bring control back in-house. And that's where on-site nitrogen generation becomes the game changer.
The oil sands present extreme cold, remote sites, heavy industrial conditions. Equipment has to perform reliably in temperatures that can swing dramatically. Our systems are engineered for those environments. The enclosures protect equipment, maintain climate control, and ensure stable performance regardless of conditions. The NitroVault is modular and built for industrial use. We can position it anywhere on site, customize it for application, and ensure consistent purity and flow. For remote or high-demand applications, that flexibility is essential.
In places like Fort McMurray, reliability isn't optional, it's everything. On-site generation removes the dependency on deliveries and gives companies full control over purity, flow, and availability. Instead of worrying whether trucks will arrive, they produce their own nitrogen 24/7. For operations that run around the clock, that level of certainty is game-changing.
So you can usually tell the shift is happening when nitrogen stops being viewed as a consumable and starts being seen as a strategic asset. Operators begin asking deeper questions about cost stability, uptime, and long-term risks. When they start calculating the impact of even a single missed delivery or looking for ways to standardize nitrogen across multiple locations, that's when you know they're ready. They're no longer looking for supply, they're looking for certainty. What really hits home with the NitroVault is that it's built for the real-world oil and gas environments, harsh weather, remote sites, and non-stop demand. When customers see how compact the system is, how stable the output is, and how little operator intervention it requires, they immediately get it. It removes the biggest points of failure that they deal with today. It's a dependable, scalable asset that they can drop into place and trust to perform every single day.
We're working with one of the largest integrated oil and gas companies in North America. After a successful year-long project with our NitroVault system, we're now deploying our technology across the organization. They're expecting up to an 88% reduction in nitrogen spend, which for them represents tens of millions of dollars in annual savings. It's one of the largest transitions from delivered nitrogen to on-site generation our industry has ever seen.
The customer was dealing with high costs that were consistently rising, coupled with constant supply uncertainty. Deliveries could be delayed by weather, road closures, or mechanical issues. And when nitrogen doesn't arrive, operation slows or stops. They needed a solution that removed that risk and gave them predictable cost and supply. Resulting savings and surety of supply were aligned perfectly with their goals. The pilot proved the system worked at their scale. Consistent purity, reliable output, and immediate cost savings. They saw that on-site generation wasn't just feasible, it was the smarter choice. That success is what led to the full multi-unit, multi-site rollout.
We're building and deploying 9 large systems, each configured for the site-specific needs. Coordinating engineering, production, installation at this level, most providers simply can't do, but for us, that's where our team shines.
Our strength is in pairing engineered technology with full lifecycle support. We design, build, deploy, and maintain everything in-house. Enterprise companies want a partner who can deliver at scale, not just sell equipment. We manage engineering, production, commissioning, and long-term service. That level of integration is why we're trusted for projects this big.
It really comes down to confidence and execution. Oil and gas companies need partners who understand scale, safety, and uptime. And we've proven that we can deliver reliable nitrogen at that level. We take a consultative approach, we engineer the solution properly, and we support it through the life cycle. Customers trust that when they choose Purity Gas, they're getting a system and the team that can keep up with their operational requirements today and for years to come.